I'm like, please don't look. Doom, 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 doom. Is this anti-fog? It is so dry here. Resistant fabric bands. Weird. What is this called? View Shield. That's a wrap. So, fun fact, this is my 4th time filming this favorites video. First time it was focusing in and out. Second time the lighting was just too dark. Third time I thought was a charm, but my microphone wasn't in the jack all the way, so the whole time the video was just buzz. So I took a break, had dinner, and now it's the 4th time sitting here, and I think it's gonna be a good one. So if some of you guys are experiencing crazy allergies like me, thumbs up this video. I guess one negativity is that it's been super windy here and my allergies are going crazy. I mean, the amount of allergy medicine I'm taking, the stuff I'm sniffing in my nose, but not the drugs, but it is drugs for your nose because it is, what is it called? You would think after filming this 4 times, you would remember what you're saying. Flonase for the nose and even the Vicks inhaler and like slapping all this Aquaphor around my nose and mouth. It's so bad. Filming sucks sometimes, dude. I mean, so I hope everybody is doing well. I'm just trying to stay focused, stay busy with work, and I have to say, had a rough and slow start for January. February came and it was still stressful, but a lot of positivity going on. Things are picking up. Although February is ending, it's ending on a good note. My husband and I are mostly work from home, right? I have my own office space, so does he. So we have to be a good team player, remind each other on things we need to do, what we need to focus on, what to follow up on. So I thought it would be a great idea to get these little stationaries. Now these stationaries are like daily planners or just daily agendas. So you can list down your morning duties, maybe your afternoon Zoom calls. You also have your highlighted top priorities and things for tomorrow. I chose this one because I like the watercolor. It's very cute. It's also made with recycled paper. My husband chose like the notebook theme stationery, which is really cute. And I'm super proud of him because he actually opened this and used it, whereas mine is still in the packaging. So working from home is great, right? But at the same time, you want to be out there. Times are tough, but slowly and surely things will get back to normal. So I remember last year during the summertime, we had a personal trainer. We were working out, we were doing great. Then winter hit, and although we didn't have any parties or attended any parties, we had holiday parties all the time here and it was so much fun, which means good food, good eats, snacks, treats, you name them. But all that takes a toll on the body, so that needs to go. I remember sharing these resistant belts that I bought, silicone kind of rubbered kind of bands. They were very cute, very lightweight, but they sucked. So each time I used it and stretched my arms or legs, it basically just kept rolling up and down every time I did movements with my arms and legs. So annoying that I didn't use them anymore. So I invested into these fabric resistant bands and they are so good. This actually comes with 5. Comes in a little mesh bag and there's 4 resistant bands in here. Since I'm just starting to work out again, I did use the light one, but I tell you, it's pretty tight. So this was actually a good purchase because when you're using this for your arms and legs, you can definitely feel the resistance and it's working. Do they have like a suspense music for this? To say this is a pretty cool face shield. Now, some of you guys may or may not know, but I do makeup and a lot of times I'm pretty up close and personal to people's faces. Pre-COVID, and we need to protect ourselves, right? I really like this face shield because as you can see on the sides, it kind of cups your face. This is the old face shield I used to wear, which is cool too. I hope you can hear me, but it's just like, I feel like there's access to like particles and stuff that can fly into my face. It does a good job on the side, I have to say. It's super, These are cool because they're super lightweight. They do scratch easily and dent. I spray a lot of alcohol to clean it, but I see like a lot of scratch marks. This is cool because it's like anti-fog. It's super lightweight as well. There's blue light, so it's gonna protect your skin and your face if you're outdoors. I'm not sure if this is like an anti-scratch, but it wasn't cheap, I tell you that. This face shield's pretty cool. It's lightweight. You just wear it like as if you're wearing glasses. You can actually wear sunglasses or even your eyeglasses with this and it won't disturb it, which is pretty cool. Fun fact about this mask, if you guys watched the Super Bowl, the Weeknd's performers were all wearing these masks. And my husband was like, oh my God, they look like you. So I turned over to the TV, I'm like, what is he talking about? And then you see Weeknd all bandaged up. I'm like, excuse me? He was all bandaged up because clearly he had some work done and he was making fun of himself, but I did not know he was talking about the performers wearing the mask. My brother sent this to me and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. This is a bag sealer. It's really easy to use. It's cordless. You just use a micro USB to charge it, power on this sucker. You can adjust the height. I'm not sure if you can see it. So that way when you put that plastic bag in there, it doesn't get caught, but it's pretty easy to use, just and seal away. One cool thing is that it has a little magnetic here. You can place this on the fridge. One pet peeve of mine, I hate things on front of the fridge, so it can go on the side. So I finally got myself a new handheld tripod. I'm not sure if you guys remembered, but I used to use this all the time to do my vloggings or when I'm traveling. Don't get me wrong, Joby is a great company. They make good products. This was actually one of my favorite ones to travel with because it's easy to carry, it's not too long. It has like a little level here, easy to put on my camera. You can adjust this. There's a swivel head here. Unfortunately, the last time I used this was one of our camping trips and one of the legs just gave out. So I had this on the table, just chilling, and then my camera and its lens just went in for a nosedive. Like, I forgot which leg it is. Ooh. This guy. So that's why I had to buy a new one because I called this company and they couldn't do anything for me. They didn't even offer to like send this back and see if they can fix it or see what's wrong with it. So I just said, peace out. So I got this guy instead. This is the Manfrotto. It's a handheld. You can actually extend it if you want it to be longer and you can actually open it. And what I like about it is that it can get pretty flat. So if you're filming or doing some kind of shot really low to the ground or you just need it flat on a table, this gets pretty low. I like this little jog dial, this little circle swivel thing. So you don't have to keep turning your camera. You just place the camera on there and just lock it in or unlock it. I actually am using the tripod from Manfrotto too, which I really like. Their products have been really good. I've been in a hunt for a white one and I couldn't find it. Had it in my basket years ago, didn't think I needed to buy it, and now I can't find it, but black will still do. So the last thing I have here is a portable, well, I mean, they're all gonna be portable, right? But this one specifically is for my makeup kit. You can see my name is on there. This is really cool because it's actually collapsible, so you can fold it. But basically, you put all your tools here. I mean, all my tools are gonna be sanitized and disinfected before and after every client, but I think it's important to take this on site so they can see me putting the tools and sanitizing before applying it onto them. Comes with a removable tray, so you can put your things on there, and it has like a little window, and when it turns on, you'll see like the purple light. I thought this was great, a great price. You can actually fold it so it's easy to travel with. Kid you not, I got this for under 10 bucks. I will have to say my last favorites, it's on me. Do you see it? I guess you can tell that I'm a very proud member of Costco. We literally buy everything from there. We go to the business center, we buy things online. It's just easy because it's basically everything or most things in one place. This sweater was actually purchased during the holidays, so sorry in advance if you can't find it, but I'll try my best to find the link. The quality of this is so nice. This is a unisex sweater, so it's actually pretty fitted. I think this is a men's small or medium, I forget, and the sweater is like super long. I feel like I should cut it so it's a crop sweater, but at the same time I don't want to damage it. Maybe I should do a poll. I don't know about you guys, but I am definitely in the mood to work out this year, really focusing on the business, our career. See, my skin is hella dry around here. My lips are so dry too. I've been drinking a lot of water, but this allergy is like you can see it. It's like on my face. Also, I just filmed this video, so stay tuned for that. And that is basically it for my monthly favorites, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.